Here I have Realme GT Neo 3, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera and tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the volume button action. So here you can set it to volume, shutter, or to zoom. So easily. So as you can see right now, I can zoom in or out with my volume keys. Unfortunately, it only works with rear camera, but I will demonstrate you. Wow, yeah, unbelievable. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.